Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 003, AutoCAD selection of entities with command cpolygon. Switch to AutoCAD. Selection of entities with command cpolygon. You have to draw a polygon. AutoCAD selects all entities which are completely inside polygon and which are intersect with polygon. From menu Draw, choose command line and then left click in the drawing area and then left click in the drawing area to set second point of line and then left click and finally press enter. From menu Draw, choose command Circle and then choose option Center Radius and then left click in the drawing area to set center point of circle and then specify radius right 100 millimeters and then press enter. From menu Modify, choose command Erase and then write command cpolygon